So I don't know why. Easter isn't till like 3 months from now, and the only apron they have in the store is Easter aprons. Mine's got boogers on it.
Hey, have you ever kissed a bun between the ears?
Robbie repairs and Emerson does it. We gotta go based off that.
Robbie prepares.
And Emerson cooks it. That's a good one. That's what we're gonna call it. Robbie, what was it? Robbie prepares and Emerson cooks it. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Welcome to the first episode of Robbie Prepares and Emerson Cooks It. Kind of a stupid name because we're both cooking today, but we told you guys a couple videos ago that if you got the video to 5,000 likes, we would make a video of Emerson cooking rice. And you guys way past that. I don't know what it was at finally, but it was like 6 or so. Are you making fun of me still?
No.
So today we're here for Emerson to help us cook some rice.
The white way and the right way. Yeah, just not white and long.
As an average white person, my experience with rice stems to minute rice. I know how to make minute rice. I know how to make it very well. This is the only rice I know how to make. This is the only rice I really knew existed. Emerson has taught me a lot in the last 5 minutes about rice and the different types of rice and why rice is different.
Rice is rice.
Rice is rice. That's a white grain, this is a white grain. Unless you get brown rice, that's gross. So can you tell everybody what's different?
Literally, main difference is quality. Quality.
So this whole box was $5. And that little bag was $5.
Yeah.
That's why I buy this whole box. Because it's $5. When I go to the store, as your average white guy, and these are like this looks more appealing to me. It says it's ready in 5 minutes. This has a cock on the front. And it says scented. We're pretty much gonna have a rice off today. We're gonna see who cooks the best rice, and then we're gonna have the girls judge it.
Are you guys making it at the same time?
We're gonna make it at the same time. This is what we're gonna do. So the way minute rice, okay? You bring water to a boil,
okay.
You stir in the rice, you cover it, turn off heat for 5 minutes. That's the only way I know how to make rice. You add equal parts rice and water. Emerson showed up at my house with a rice cooker for today's rice video. So,
yo, you come prepared.
I don't even know where to start. I honestly
even own a microwave.
I wouldn't even know where to start. Emerson's just gonna like whip up this rice in the corner in the just quiet. It's gonna be better than everybody's rice. But I'm gonna try and make my minute rice that I know is killer minute rice. And then I'm gonna try and make this, but I'm gonna make this my way.
I need a cup. I don't have a cup.
Yeah, that's true.
Like 1 cup, like a measuring cup?
Yes. So I know that the measurements are accurate. Quality over quantity. There's one.
Okay, so you make it 2.
Okay, now you do your way.
My way starts with 1 cup of water.
Tell them your trick. Use a little bit less water to rice.
Here's it. And then you let it boil now. You put water right in yours? You didn't even measure it! You got the Filipino feel, is that what they call it?
You made more batches of rice than the amount of money you make. Then you try life-saving. You know.
Are you rinsing the rice? What is happening?
I am rinsing the rice.
I don't rinse my rice.
I make the rice flat and even on the bottom.
Now,
That's how I measure it. Doesn't matter how much rice you have in here. Put my finger in. I usually have it like 3/4 up before the first line on your finger.
So like a really accurate measuring tool.
Now you got your rice cooker.
And then what? You just leave that for how long?
Till it's done.
I got a good boil going on both of mine. So I'm gonna do a cup of your special jasmine rice. We're gonna put that in Mr. Big Pot here. And then you just give it a swift stir. Remove it from heat. Add your lid.
Okay.
And let stand for about 5 minutes. Well, yeah, minute rice is meant to be made in the 5-minute period, so we don't really know, but I told you I was gonna cook them both the same way, so that's what we're doing. There you go. Now we wait for this to click and that to be about 5 minutes. Enjoy this quick commercial break from our sponsors and we'll be right back. Today's episode of Robbie Repairs and Emerson Cooks It was brought to you by the Robbie Ferreira YouTube channel. If you enjoy rice in the non-traditional way of cooking the grains and actually ricing your car, make sure to check out the Robbie Ferreira YouTube channel for all your rice or automotive needs. And if rice in the non-traditional sense is not your cup of tea, but you found yourself at this point of the video and you are not already subscribed to Robbie Ferreira's YouTube channel, go ahead and subscribe now. And make sure you stick around to the end of the video where we'll tell you why this video should get to 10,000 likes. Please be aware that subscribing to the Robbie Ferreira YouTube channel may cause severe motivation to go out of your way and spend money where you would normally not spend it. In some but not all cases, subscribers have been known to unnecessarily modify their cars to the point where they are undailyable and require a second vehicle as a daily. But we all know how that one goes, and your second daily ends up becoming your second race car. We cannot guarantee that you will watch the Robbie Ferreira YouTube channel with no side effects. However, we can guarantee you that the side effects will be worthy of what you're getting out of the channel. The chances of Robbie making his favorite Filipino make more guest appearances on the Robbie Prepares and Emerson Cooks It TV show will also greatly increase with subscribers and likes to this video. So we read the bag after we started and we realized that with this fancy Emerson rice. With this one, you take it off and you mix the rice in, put it to the side, whatever you're done. But apparently this rice, you're supposed to leave it on simmering. The rice that I made in that pot turned into a swamp because I was supposed to boil it and I didn't. Okay, so this is your sticky Emerson rice. You ready for this one? This is the soup. All right. Ew, look.
You have to try it.
Oh,
You have to try
you see that? It didn't even absorb it, man.
That's still.
So there's that. Now my minute rice, this is the champion of all champions. Stop sniffing the rice. First, we're going to bring to you the Emerson rice. No. Jasmine cooked in a rice cooker. Spoons, you gotta be judged this on what you think rice should taste like. So like if it's, good tasting rice or if it's, tastes like a swamp. It's gonna be judged on smell and it's gonna be judged on ease of making. That's so I can get points. Okay. Would you like to have a sniff?
It smells like
It did say scented on the bag. You gotta cheers me with your spoon, dickhead. It's so stiffy. It's stuck to my lips.
It's moist.
So I don't know what I'd rate it because I have no competition. Okay. So everybody, dig in to rice number 2. This is the jasmine rice, not cooked properly in a pot. Oh! To me that tastes like you took dry rice and just rubbed it in water.
Yeah.
That was horrible. Oh, this rice is going. Everybody get a water break.
Is that my cup?
Everybody can now dig into rice number 3, which is obviously the best rice on the table.
So the one people like.
Tastes like rice, baby.
Yeah. It doesn't taste as
So here.
moist, I guess.
It's dry. Yeah.
This one actually smells more than yours does. This one smells like rice, this one smells like water. See, the problem I have with this Emerson rice is that it sticks to my face. I can't even get the whole spoonful in my mouth. See what I mean?
Whoa.
It's not supposed to do that. Now we gotta do the soy sauce test. I totally forgot about the soy sauce test. Did you just say there's an actual amount you want to administer to the rice?
So it looks exact. So it's the same.
Sorry, Emerson's a professional soy sauce pourer. Drizzled to perfection. What a thing you can do. You're a master at work here. You're a master at work. I would like to point out that Emerson is pretty biased because he drizzled his nicer than he drizzled mine. And he cared. Stop, we're putting more.
Oh, I thought you wanted. Looks exact. So it's the same.
No, you put more on mine already. Look at mine. See, he's trying to butcher the competition. Your rice first.
No. You can't do all of that.
That's like the ramen noodle version.
This is the cheaper way to make a plate of rice.
Yeah. Yes.
You can taste it when you bite it. That it's like buying eBay intercooler piping. It's thin and it sucks.
This is like the fancy guest towels. And these are just your regular towels.
Yeah, this is the scratchy towel you've been using since you were 5 and you're like,
Does the job, just one's a little bit better.
So now we have come to the part of the show where we need to pick a winner for the rice. We have contestant 1, this small pot representing minute rice, cooked according to instruction. We have contestant 2, this medium-sized pot representing AAA scented jasmine rice
with no instructions,
cooked without using instruction. And then the Emerson Special, representing the same AAA scented jasmine rice, but cooked with instructions.
Jasmine rice.
If I asked you to put these 3 in an order from best to worst, could you one at a time please give me your answers?
Jasmine rice in the rice cooker
Number 1.
is the winner. And then minute rice cooked correctly.
Minute rice cooked correctly
And then
takes the spot at number 2.
Rice cooked incorrectly.
And this jasmine rice cooked incorrectly should be in the garbage can.
Yeah.
Morgan, do you have anything different you'd like to add to your order?
No.
Congratulations, bro, you won the rice cooking challenge. Oh, you're an asshole. You're an asshole. So now what? We just keep eating rice and call it a day or what?
well, I could teach you how to make fried rice.
Fried rice? That's
Maybe
another
that'll
video?
be good.
Another video? So today we learned one valuable lesson. Would you like to tell the people what made your rice so much better than everybody else's?
I want to say thank you to my mom. Thank you, thank you. Don't cheap out and get the eBay rice. Just go find somewhere in Chinatown and say you want good rice. Don't go on eBay and find this deal right here.
If you guys enjoyed this video and you guys get this video to what is a good amount of likes? What did they get it to last time? They got it to like 6.5?
Oh, I don't know.
I say we both make a dish.
I told them to get the last video to 5,000, they got it to 7,000. So the bar is now 10. If you guys get this video to 10,000 likes, we will start the Robbie... What did we call the show?
Robbie prepares and Emerson cooks.
Robbie prepares and Emerson cooks it, even though we both cook it.
I'll make a dish that you two just choose.
10,000 likes, and the girls will pick a food, and we will have a cook-off cooking them their food of choice. The loser of the cooking video
Has to
do
streak down
something. Streak down the road? Is that monetizable? What if I blur it? What if I just like put a big blurry thing right here. I hope you guys enjoyed. Robbie prepares and Emerson cooks it, even though we both cook it. That is all. We will catch you guys next time. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace out. And stay committed.